Subscribe to Mufti Akmal Mujahid
online and press the bell icon for more videos.
Islamic ruling on self-stimulation and marital intimacy. M. Shahid from Karachi asked about the permissibility of using fingers for sexual gratification. Mufti Akmal provided the following guidance based on Islamic law. 1. Prohibition of self-stimulation, masturbation. In Islam, seeking sexual gratification through one's own hands or fingers, whether by a man or a woman, is classified as masturbation. This act is considered haram, forbidden, and a sin. The Mufti cited a hadith stating that those who gratify themselves with their hands will be identified on the Day of Judgment by their hands appearing pregnant, serving as a sign of their transgression. 2. Proper conduct during marital intimacy. A common concern arises when a husband reaches climax, discharges, before his wife during intercourse. The Sharia guidance is that the husband should not immediately withdraw or separate from his wife if he finishes first. He is encouraged to remain in that state for a short duration to ensure his wife also achieves fulfillment. A husband who abruptly ends the intimacy solely for his own satisfaction, leaving his wife's needs unmet, is considered to be in sin. 3. Manual stimulation between spouses. The ruling clarifies that it is not permissible for a husband to manually stimulate his wife to climax, nor for a wife to do the same for her husband. There is no room for these practices in Islamic jurisprudence. Those who engage in them are considered to be acting against the pleasure of Allah and His Messenger. Summary: Islam emphasizes that sexual fulfillment should be achieved through natural intercourse. While the husband is obligated to ensure his wife's satisfaction, doing so through manual stimulation, hand/fingers, is prohibited. Would you like me to find more information on Islamic etiquette regarding marital relations?